Steve Cohen, I mean, the man's on top.
It's amazing. He is on the first place for the first time in the many years we've done this, raking in $3.2 billion that he took home last year. And, you know, his fund has really made this amazing comeback. In 2018, after having to return money, he made a comeback as a hedge fund, raised money. They got about $4 billion-ish at the beginning. Now the hedge fund, just 8 years later, $45 billion big.
Who else was notable that made the list this year?
Yes, so we have a lot of the big multi-strat hedge fund managers, the likes of Izzy Englander, Ken Griffin, a lot of the big names that we talk about very often on this show. We have the most number of hedge fund managers that have made the $1 billion club this year than any other year. So you're looking at multiple people that have walked home with at least $2 or $3 billion, and about 9 who took home about $1 billion.
What's behind that? Is that just outperformance, basically?
So it depends on the fund. If we look at Steve, you can take a look and see that the large portion of his gain came from his personal investment in the hedge fund versus fees. If we take a look at some of the other multi-strategy funds, like of Izzy Englander or Ken Griffin, it's closer to being a bit more split between the fees being quite lucrative, as pass-through fees is what these multi-strategy hedge funds use, and they can really make the economics of running this giant, complicated fund more attractive.
What about any newcomers? Anyone surprising make this list?
So we have a newer comer. His name is Josh Resnick. He's been on our list before, but I think last year was the first time. So he's newer to this list. He made about 40% in his hedge fund last year. His hedge fund is a bit smaller AUM-wise, but he still walked home with nearly $700 million in profits.
Hema, can we just make one note that you and I were talking about on the break, that this is decisively a list of men?
It is an all-male list. We are hopeful that one day we will see an amazing female manager make this list. As of now, and historically, the 6 years we've been doing this, or 7 years, it's always been Titan male hedge fund managers.